Breaking news: a recent study revealed that 5 common foods are secretly destroying our health. The findings are shocking, with over 70% of Americans consuming these foods daily. The impact on our health is critical, with rising costs in medical bills and insurance premiums. In fact, the average American spends over $10,000 per year on healthcare. It's urgent that we take control of our diet and make informed decisions about what we eat. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you exclusive insights into the world of health and wellness. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals who care about their health and want to make informed decisions. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos, including how to invest in your health and the best foods for a healthy lifestyle. Historically, our diet has been shaped by convenience and affordability. However, this has come at a cost. The rise of processed foods has led to a significant increase in chronic diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease. In fact, according to the CDC, over 30% of Americans have at least one chronic disease. It's time to rethink our approach to food and consider the long-term consequences of our choices. Now, let's take a closer look at the 5 foods that are secretly destroying our health. The first food on our list is refined sugar. Consuming high amounts of refined sugar has been linked to an increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. In fact, the average American consumes over 30 pounds of refined sugar per year. Now here's where it gets interesting: many foods that we consider healthy, such as yogurt and granola, are often high in refined sugar. But that's not all. Some foods, like those from Google's cafeteria, offer healthier alternatives, such as Apple's healthy snack options. The second food on our list is saturated fats. While some saturated fats, such as those found in coconut oil, can be beneficial, excessive consumption can lead to high cholesterol and heart disease. In fact, a study by the American Heart Association found that consuming high amounts of saturated fats can increase the risk of heart disease by up to 20%. But what's critical to note is that not all saturated fats are created equal. Some, like those found in Tesla's sustainable food options, can be a healthier alternative to traditional saturated fats. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss: the impact of food on our mental health. A recent study found that a diet high in processed foods and sugar can increase the risk of depression and anxiety by up to 50%. This is critical information, especially considering the rising costs of mental health treatment, with some therapy sessions costing up to $200 per hour. It's urgent that we take control of our diet and make informed decisions about what we eat. The third food on our list is artificial additives. These chemicals, often found in processed foods, can have a significant impact on our health. In fact, a study by the National Institutes of Health found that consuming artificial additives can increase the risk of certain types of cancer by up to 30%. Now, let's take a closer look at how these additives affect our health and what we can do to avoid them. For example, Amazon's grocery delivery service offers a wide range of additive-free foods, making it easier to make healthier choices. The fourth food on our list is high-sodium foods. Consuming high amounts of sodium can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. In fact, the American Heart Association recommends consuming no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. But what's critical to note is that many foods, even those considered healthy, can be high in sodium. For example, a single serving of Google's free lunch can contain up to 1,000 milligrams of sodium. The impact of these 5 foods on our health is critical. Consuming them regularly can lead to a range of chronic diseases, from diabetes to heart disease. In fact, the CDC estimates that over 75% of healthcare costs are related to chronic diseases. It's urgent that we take control of our diet and make informed decisions about what we eat. By investing in our health, we can avoid costly medical bills and improve our overall well-being. For example, A healthy diet can save us up to $5,000 per year in medical expenses. So, what happens next? The future of food is critical, and it's up to us to make informed decisions about what we eat. Experts predict that the demand for healthy, sustainable food options will continue to rise, with the global market expected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2025. As consumers, we have the power to drive change and create a healthier food system. By choosing healthier options, such as those from Amazon's Whole Foods, we can invest in our health and the health of our planet. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Join our community of like-minded individuals who care about their health and want to make informed decisions. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos, including the best foods for a healthy lifestyle and how to invest in your health. And, as a special offer, use the code HEALTH15 to get 15% off your next purchase from our partner, Amazon. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.